Hello friends, today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, the classification of the Vedas according to the Smriti. The Smriti scriptures contain Dharma Shastras, duties for mankind, Itihas, histories, Puranas, teaching of the Vedas in the form of stories, and Upapuranas or the secondary Puranas. There are 20 Dharma Shastras listed in the Yajnavalkya Smriti. These are Manu, Atri, Vishnu, Harita, Yajnavalkya, Ushana, Angira, Yama, Apastamba, Sanivarta, Katyayana, Brihaspati, Parasar, Vyas, Sankha, Likhita, Daksha, Gautam, Sutapta or Vashishta. Itihas contains the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Puranas are the ones which explain the teaching of the four Vedas in story form, thereby making spiritual life simpler. Since these stories and histories are directly or indirectly connected to the Supreme Lord, they are more relevant for the present age of Kali Yuga. There are 18 Mahapuranas divided into 3 groups based on the type of people they address. According to the Padma Puran Uttarakhanda, their names are according to the 3 modes of material nature. For those in Sattvaguna are the 6 Puranas: Vishnu, Narad, Bhagavad Puran, Garuda Puran, Padma Puran and the Varaha Puran. For the people in the mode of passion or Rajogun is the Brahmanda Puran, Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Markandeya Puran, Bhavishya Puran, Vaman Puran and the Brahma Puran. And for the people in the mode of ignorance are the Matsya Puran, Kurma Puran, Linga Puran, Vayu Puran, Skanda Puran and the Agni Puran. The Garuda Puran clearly says that the Bhagavad Puran is the best of the all Puranas. These divisions exist to help raise one from ignorance to pure goodness. The 3 divisions appeal to the people in these respective modes and elevate them to achieve perfection in life. The 18 Upapuranas or the secondary Puranas are the Sanat Kumar, Narasingha, Brihad Naradya, Linga, Durvas, Kapil, Manav, Oshanash, Varuna, Kalika, Maheshwar, Samba, Saura, Parashar, Devi Bhagwat, Aditya, Vashishta and Vishnu Dharmottara. So this is the overall division of the Smriti part of the Vedas. Thank you for your patient hearing. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you liked this video, please subscribe the channel right now and download my free app. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna